If you're looking for a modest family-sized contemporary home, you'll love House Plan 7412. It offers 2,116 square feet, 3 bedrooms, and dramatic vaulted ceilings throughout. It's also extremely adaptable. This neat contemporary house plan fits into lots deeper than they are wide, and it looks amazing when finished to match any surrounding environment, like this neighborhood surrounded by forest. When you step inside, you'll notice a coat closet and the powder room conveniently located nearby. Use privacy glass to keep the powder room bright. Placing it up front helps keep the main living areas of the house private from the street. On the opposite side of the front door, the laundry room doubles as a mudroom. It also connects the garage to the foyer. The main living area has a unique corner fireplace, a very open feel, and spacious volume overhead thanks to the vaulted ceiling you'd expect of a contemporary house plan. It's right beside the kitchen, which has plenty of counter space, including an eating bar and an island. And don't overlook all that cabinet storage either. The sink and appliances are well placed so you can spread out and conquer tasks. Of course, there's enough space to host any arrangement, if you'd like to customize the home with your own dream kitchen. The dining area is very casual and immerses you in views of your surroundings. Out through the patio door, you'll find covered and uncovered outdoor living space. If you have more lot to work with, you could easily expand this. The master suite is on the main level, accessed through a hall by the stairs, so it's separate from the living spaces. Again, just look at the ceiling and how the windows bring the outdoors in. The master bath boasts a his and her vanity, a soaking tub, and a huge towel shower. The toilet is hidden beyond the shower, and there's a walk-in closet at the end. When you head upstairs, you'll find an ample loft, which is perfect for giving kids their own living space. 2 bedrooms and the shared hall bathroom are up here. This centrally located bath has a his and her vanity as well, and the toilet is tucked behind the shower tub combo. The first bedroom faces the front side of the home. It has unique corner windows that make a statement. The second bedroom faces the rear. It's larger than the other bedroom, but they both offer awesome style thanks to the vaulted ceilings. If you're interested in House Plan 7412, come learn more about it on thehousedesigners.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to see more house tours like this.